Guys, good morning. Can I get my breakfast kami? Tingnan yung niluto ko, oh. Filipino style kami today.
It's not breakfast.
Saturday. For Deepak, this is lunch na, guys. Kasi naninibago si Deepak, guys, no? Kasi iba sa kanila ang breakfast, so para sa kanya lunch. So, kain tayo, guys. For Filipino style, this is only breakfast for us. Fried rice ako, oh.
This is lunch.
Mangga kami, guys. So guys, hapon na dito, may bisita kami. Nandito si Indira. Nandito siya, guys. So, papakainin ko siya kasi kahapon, di ba, birthday ni Buwa. So, ito yung niluto ko, sabi ko sa kanya. Kanina, ito na yung snacks namin ni Johan. Ngayon, tama lang, guys, oh, para kay Indira. Sabi niya, nag-PM siya sa akin. Sabi niya, mapupunta daw sana siya. Sabi ko, nakabalik ko si Mandira, hindi pa daw. Sabi ko, punta ka kasi kukuha na rin siya ng tubig. Can't you know this one? The, give me my money! You know that one?
Just give me my money. Woo! Now go. Just give me my money. Woo! Just give me my money. Woo! What happened? Why aren't you clapping for me? Why aren't you clapping for me?
For example, like this, Johan, come here and play that. Johan!
Yeah? In the socks video.
Yeah, in the search. We will do like this. Johan, come here. For example, like this, guys, meron kaming pa-games na tatlo, guys. Sample. Like this. For example, give me my... just give me some money! Then both of you will clap like that.
I'm the second, okay?
Yes, second.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
give me
Yeah,
some
yeah.
money!
Yeah.
Oh, then you clap now.
Yeah.
You clap now.
No, this is right on first.
No, wait, sample only, sample. I'm first. Example only. You
Yeah,
will
yeah.
just give me some money. For example, Indira, student. I know you.
No, I'm the second.
Hindi ko alam kung sino dito ang mapaprank kasi napanood yun na pala, oh. Actually, okay, since he knows, she knows, I know, wala, guys. No, it will not work this prank because she already knows. That is why she knows. So, wala, guys. Bloopers yung prank namin. So, guys, si Mandira, sa Sunday pa siya uwi. So, your house is on the gate is pending.
We'll get surprised.
We will get surprised. The before and now. And she don't have plan to go there. By the side only. Oh, yeah, because your house is new. Hello. Sila na yan, bay? Will come or no? Not sure.
Yeah.
Actually,
But not in Dasa. If you'll come only after Dasa.
oh, not sure if kasi this year is Naranba is planning to come. So it's not yet sure when Tihard or Dasai or after that. So let's see. But this time they will go to their to the village, this Dasai. Actually every Dasai they are going, yeah? Even before?
Before we are going, but last 2 years, no, we are not going.
Yeah, before they are going because when you were staying downstairs, they
Yeah,
are going there. They are going to the village, guys, every Dasai. But this Dasai we will miss them
Yeah.
because they are going. We will miss you or you will miss us.
We'll miss you.
Tomorrow you don't have holiday.
What is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is the last Sunday. Kasi
Only
guys,
for this school.
only for the school. Because here, guys, in Nepal, that is in Nepali calendar. Nepali calendar or English calendar, the last Sunday every time. The last Sunday
No,
is...
this one is school like rules, no?
kasi they have rules here, guys.
Not this one, national.
Oh, yeah, only in Nepal like this. Only in Nepal. Guys, so every Sunday in the calendar, maybe in their calendar or in the school. Basta
Only
every...
school calendar.
school, There is also school calendar?
Yeah, because they are printing the different one, no? For the school.
Mayroon din pala sila school calendar. Nakakalito na. It's like confusing, no? Because so many calendars. In their school calendar, so every last Sunday, they are giving the students break or holiday. Basta every last Sunday lang yun.
Before, when we are in school, no? That time we are getting like Friday off, every Friday. And we are not getting holiday in Sunday. And then
And Friday and Saturday, holiday.
Friday off and Saturday holiday. Only this one. and then after they will change. They make the Friday whole day school. And the morning Sunday holiday.
Guys, umuwi na si Indira. Nagchika-chika kami ni Indira, guys. So, ayun, hindi siya namin na-prank. Natatawa talaga ako kasi nagigets niya agad. So, ngayon, nagsabay na lang ako sa kanya kasi today, dito, matutulog yung anak ni Santos Bay na lalaki. Katabingi ito. Tabingi yung camera ko. Ayan, balance na. Kasi kung maganyan din ako, yung camera ko ganyan din. Kasi nga, nagamit tayo ng tripod para hindi na tayo hawak-hawak. Bumili ulit ako ng okra. Kasi nga season ng mga okra, guys. So, ang dami na namang okra ng gibi. And gusto kong kumain ng munta ulit. So, kaya napabili ako. Ayan. And then, bumili ako ng isang munta lang. Kasi lagi marami yung nabibili ko. So, hindi namin nauubos. Sayang lang din. So, marami na rin ito. 30 rupees ito, guys. Yung talbos ng kalabasa. Lagyan ko ulit ng patatas. Nakita nyo na yan. And bumili ako ng manok. 250 ito kasi magluluto ako ng chicken curry. And ito yung munta. So, nakakaya naman kasi pag kami ang pumunta sa kanila, todo din naman sila luto at pakain sa amin. So, ganun din dapat tayo, diba? Kaya, ayala, hindi ko pa naon yung tubig. Magsi-6 o'clock na. Hala, guys, sandali muna, guys, ha? Inuna ko muna itong sag, tapos yung chicken curry, lutuin natin. Si Indira daw magluluto din daw siya, pero hindi siya bibili. Meron kasi silang tanim nito. Harvest lang daw siya kahit konti. Pa natin, guys. Ilaway ako. Sarap. Mukbang na ako. Tikim na ito, ha? Guys, so ito na yung chicken curry natin. And wala akong coriander, so hindi ko na siya nilagyan. Tapos ito na yung ating gulay, oh. So, wala pa man yung anak ni Santos ba? Anak niya, guys, hindi ko alam kung napunta ka na sila ni Deepak or ano, kasi 7:39 na eh. Sabi niya, ano daw, mga 7 o'clock daw nandito na siya. Eh, hindi pa niya alam yung aming location. Yung bang hindi niya alam dito kung saan ang bahay namin. So, tinawagan ko naman si Deepak at in-inform ko siya. Ay, ambot sa ila, daya. Kung ano nang ilang communication. Basta ako, at least nagluto ako na kung darating man siya, at least, diba, may pagkain. Pero, nag-iisip din naman ako kung saan na yung bata na yun. Guys, nandito na siya. May, ano pala siya, may service pala siya. Ayan, kasi tripod ito. Aray ko, sumakit yung gilidan ko. Guys, may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Alam ko pa, guys, malapit na talaga. Malapit na talaga ako mapunta ng ngipin. Ayan siya. Kararating lang niya. Sabi ko, kain ka na. Sabi niya, antayin niya daw si Deepak. Sabi ko, huwag mo antayin yun kasi hindi na yung nakain. Ay, kaya pala, buti na lang. Guys, naligo ako. Sabi ko kay Juan, kasi nandyan na si Deepak. Medyo madilim to, no? Yung camera ko. Sabi ko kay Juan, hala, sorry, Bible pa ito na napatungan ko. Ano, sabihin mo, kay Papa, wala ako dito, sinundo ako kamo ng kaibigan ko. Ano itong iba itong napindot ko, guys, Miss Brightness. Kasi nga sabi ko kay Juan, sabihin mo kay Papa, wala ako. Wala ako dito, nasa friend ko kamo. Ngayon, pag nandito, patayin ko tong ilaw. Guys, nandyan na sila. Patayin ko lang. Patayin ko lang. Patayin ko lang, guys. Hindi nyo ko makikita.
Okay. Children, you have to come, okay? 1 month. Okay.
She didn't come.
You will have privacy for 1 month, okay?
Huh?
You will have freedom 1 month.
Sabi niya, tell her don't come for
One
1
month here?
month. They're not here.
You will have freedom for how many months?
Huh?
1 month?
Huh?
1 month?
I know. She got to a friend. I don't know why.
So we will have freedom for how many months?
I know she's saying she left her phone here. I tell her that's not anywhere.
How many days you will not be here? It's better, no? It's better. Listen.
You talk na to, Rokom. Teka lang guys, na-booking agad ako ng aking asawa. Oh. Kami na lang fresh, siya na lang yung hindi fresh. Ayun. Okay guys, mag-hair dry ako dito. Naririnig niyo ako? Yan. Nakaano na tayo. Mag-hair dry lang ako, guys. Sana hindi maingay, no? Kasi pag itong ginamit ko yung DJI, tapos naka-mic ako, hindi siya ganun kaano ba? Hindi nyo talaga maririnig yung grabe na ingay. So, punta tayo sa anak ni Santos Bay na nandito ngayon sa amin. Actually, guys, pupuntayan siya ng Romania. Romania. Ayan, Romania pala. Pupunta siya doon kaya kailangan niya munang magtrabaho dito sa Kathmandu para makakuha siya ng experience like barista, mga ganun-ganun. So, nagbabarista siya ngayon kasi kailangan yun. Dahil si Deepak ang parang tumutulong dahil yung may manpower or agency dito is ang may-ari, kaibigan ni Deepak. So, yan lang ang required sa kanya, ang magkaroon muna ng certificate or experience sa barista, guys. Kasi nag-ano na yan siya, apply as para maging makapasok ng army, and nilapit din siya. Siyempre may mga sila ni Deepak, no, like sa kanila ni Commander, pero kasi siguro hindi siya talaga para doon or qualified dahil siyempre hindi naman basta-basta lang na makakapasok. Kaso lang kailangan talaga maging siya, yung fit talaga siya sa pagiging army kasi hindi biro, 'di ba? So ayun guys, i-end ko na yung aking vlog. Again, maraming salamat po sa time na binigay niyo ulit para lang mapanood ang vlog natin for today. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, again, i-click nyo lang yung pulang button para guys ma-update kayo sa tuwing may bago tayong upload. And thank you so much sa mga wishes nyo kay Buwa Daddy, guys. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. Good night and I love you. Bye guys!